glue-on vinyl plank is a good cost-effective floor. However, like most types of flooring, it can get damaged. The upside is that glue-on vinyl plank is one of the easiest floors to repair. I'll show you how to do it in this video. If you find this video helpful, then please like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Here is a damaged vinyl tile. To replace it, heat the end of the tile with a heating gun, like this. Then start to peel it off, and continue to heat it as you go. The heat softens the glue beneath the tile. Then you can easily peel it off. Once you have the tile removed, you can replace it with a new one. Put the new tile in place and press it to the floor to activate the glue. A handheld floor roller works good for this. You can get it at building supply stores like Lowe's or the Home Depot. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest videos. Thank you.